Assalamualaikum grade 2, how are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates and teachers, but no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online class and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today I'm going to conduct your English text class. Fine. Let's come to the date. Today the date is 23/12/2020 and the day is Wednesday. Okay class, now let's come to your course book. Course book 2. Fine. Open up page number 49. Okay, see the title to this chapter is electric light, and what I told you the last time, there are some of the things that are the source of giving us electricity. So amongst these picture, which is the thing that provides us with electricity, like that runs with electricity? This is a bulb and this is a lamp. ठीक है ना? Bulb sometimes cell से भी चलता है, but this runs with the electricity also. Fine. And the candle, lantern, and these are like lantern, candle and the lantern, they are the manual ones, and this also runs with the battery or the cell. This is a torch. So what is explained in this chapter? In this chapter, the problems regarding the previous time period is being mentioned here, that many years ago people faced a lot of troubles, lot of problems due to the shortage of electric lamps. ठीक है ना? There were no electric lamps. Electric lamps means electric bulbs होते हैं. And when the sun went down, जब सूरज ग़ुरूब हो जाता था, it was very much dark and it was a very difficult task for the people to do any work at the night time because of no electricity. And you can see this picture also. See, the children are studying under the light of the lantern, and you can compare yourself with these children. You people are so much lucky if you compare yourself with these children, because you have, mashallah, alhamdulillah, you people have all the facilities at your home. Fine. Whenever you want to study, you can study. There's the facility of the light and the bulb. Everything is going to be there. So the people, like the children at that time, faced so many trouble. They had to sit under the light of the lantern. Then they sat and studied. And now the discussion of the scientist, of the inventor of bulb is mentioned here. The name of that scientist is Thomas Alva Edison, and he was born in America, and he worked day and night to create or to invent the electric bulb. So I guess this explanation is enough for you. Now come to page number 51. Okay, see, this is page number 41. These are the true false. Fine. So what you people have to do, you can see these true false. Now number 1 is true false means यानी सही और गलत को बोलते हैं. ठीक है ना? Now you can see here, oil lamps give more light than electric lamps. Oil lamps हमें electric lamps के मुकाबले में ज़्यादा light देते हैं. No, they do not give us more light. Definitely electric lamps, electric bulbs होते हैं, वो हमें ज़्यादा light देते हैं ना. Now number 2 is many years ago there were no electric lamps. बहुत सालों पहले electric lamps नहीं होते थे. You can go to page number 49. You can see here, many years ago there were no electric lamps. Electric lamps नहीं होते थे बहुत सालों पहले. So this is the answer suits with this. So the answer will be true here. Now when the sun goes down, we light lots of oil lamps. जब सूरज चला जाता है तो हम बहुत सारे बल्ब अब लैम्प्स जलाते हैं. No, definitely, because we have the facility of electric bulbs now. Now fourth one is Thomas Edison was an inventor. क्या वो inventor था? So you can concern from here. Thomas Alva Edison, he was an inventor. So this suits with the text in the book, so the answer will be true. Now fifth one is Edison worked very hard to make a good electric bulb. उसने बहुत मेहनत की थी electric bulb बनाने के लिए. So you can see this, Edison worked very hard to make the electric light bulb. So this will be the, like, it suits with the answer, so it will be, it will be the true answer. Fine. So I guess class, this much work is enough for today. Now let's take a very good care of your health. Till then, Allah Hafiz from my side.